the South India's earliest Sanskrit inscription is found in Andhra Pradesh. The inscription that means दोबारा से मैं रिपीट करता हूँ कि साउथ इंडिया में एक संस्कृत इंस्क्रिप्शन मिला है, ओके, एंड it is known as the earliest संस्कृत इंस्क्रिप्शन. इससे पहले जो इंस्क्रिप्शन यूज होता था वो संस्कृत का जो मिला था साउथ इंडिया में, that was considered as earliest, okay, 400 century का था वो, but now we have found the Sanskrit inscription of 3rd century. अभी हमें 3rd century के संस्कृत इंस्क्रिप्शन मिला है साउथ इंडिया में, and that is in Andhra Pradesh also, and that is in Andhra Pradesh, okay, and that is why this thing was very much in news, and हमारे एग्जाम के लिए important हो सकता है, and it is related to the art and culture also, okay, and so the inscription discovered in Chebrolu village in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh is in Sanskrit and in Brahmi characters and was issued by Satavahana king Vijaya in 207 AD. Okay. So this inscription was considered as the earliest Sanskrit inscription of South India. That is in Andhra Pradesh also. So the inscription discovered in the Chebrolu village in the Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh is in Sanskrit and in Brahmi characters and was issued by Satavahana king Vijaya in 207 AD. So you have to yaad rakhna that this earliest inscription of Sanskrit that is founded in the Andhra Pradesh or South India, that belongs to the Satavahana kingdom, okay, and this is the ruler of the Satavahana kingdom, Vijaya. So Vijaya ka basically inscription hai, and that is dated to 207 AD. So 207 AD से belong करते हैं inscription, and that is why this new inscription is considered as earliest Sanskrit inscription of South India. So for इससे पहले जो consider किया जाता था earliest inscription, so for the Nagarjuna Konda inscription of Ikshvaku king Ihwala Chantamula issued in 4th century AD was considered the earliest Sanskrit inscription in South India. Okay, so इससे पहले ये नागार्जुना कोंडा inscription जो है that was belonged to Ikshvaku king Ihwala Chantamula, that was issued in the 4th century AD. Okay, that was considered as the earliest inscription, Sanskrit inscription of South India. But now this new inscription, okay, that belongs to this village, Chebrolu village, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh, and that is the Satavahana inscription. That is considered as the earliest Sanskrit inscription. So you can interrupt me in between if you could not understand anything. Okay. So this inscription is an evidence for the Saptamatrika cult. So this thing is very much important for this year prelim exam. Okay. The Saptamatrika cult hai kya? So this inscription belongs to So I hope that you are getting my voice. So this inscription is an evidence for this Saptamatrika cult, and that is very much important for this year prelim exam. Saptamatrika cult. So एक बात याद रखना कि जो सतवाहनास थे तो वो इसलिए जाने जाते हैं that they followed this Saptamatrika cult. Saptamatrika cult को basically वो follow करते थे सतवाहनास, and that is why that thing is very much important. एग्जाम में ये आ सकता है कि सप्तमात्रिका कल्ट को मानने वाले कौन से इनमें से. सो आंसर विल बी सतावाहनास. ओके, और जो इंस्क्रिप्शन मिला है वो भी बेसिकली सप्तम मात्रिका कल्ट का मिला है. सो यू विल सी व्हाट इज द सप्तम मात्रिका. सो सप्तम मात्रिका आर ए ग्रुप ऑफ, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, सप्त मींस 7. So 7 female deities worshipped in Hinduism as personifying the energy of their respective consorts. Okay. So these Saptamatrikas are nothing but the group of 7 female deities that is worshipped in Hinduism as personifying the energy of their respective consorts. तो 7 female deities हैं जो कि अपने husband की energy को basically denote करती हैं. Okay. So and that is worshipped in Hinduism. So this Saptamatrika is nothing but 7 female deities. Other references of Saptamatrika worship are, or baki jagah par, apart from this inscription, so the other evidences of the Saptamatrika we can found it in the Kadamba copper plate. So Yarnagi Kadamba also followed Saptamatrika. Early Chalukyans and Eastern Chalukyans. So all these followed the Saptamatrika. Kadamba, in Kadamba copper plates we can found the Saptamatrika cult, and in the early Chalukyans and the Eastern Chalukyans we can found the Saptamatrika worship.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.